he's not a nice chap. But we're not just here for Donald Trump. We're here because it's time to actually stand up against Islamophobia. It's time for all of us to stand up against Islamophobia after 15 years of it growing, not only in America, but also in our society. We're going to say now, whatever they do to the Muslims, they do to every single one of us, yeah? Because enough is enough.
Donald Trump's behaviour is completely unacceptable, and our Prime Minister engaging with him and condoning his behaviour makes every single British person look bad. We don't stand for this. We are with Muslims, we are with disabled people, we are with women, we're with LGBT plus people and the working class, and we're not going to deal with this.